Honorable Chairman Sir, regarding the AMSS system incident that has happened, it was flagged on the 6th of November and immediately Airport Authority of India, under which the air navigation systems and the air traffic control is running, they have immediately identified the system, and it is absolutely wrong to say that the system was not functioning, because there was a delay that was observed in the system. The switch which was supposed to process the speed of the messages that were coming in has observed certain latency, and the messages throughput was actually reduced. And it was immediately identified, and this was a system which was commissioned in 2020 year. And it was there for 10 years, and the maintenance of this system, the O&M of this system, was being done by ECIL, the Electronics Corporations of India Limited. And they were doing the continuous maintenance of this system. It was a recently upgraded system. And then when the specific observation was there, immediately there was a backup. The backup was brought into place, and within 36 hours, the system was back on track. And while the system, there was a latency observed in the system, we shifted to manual system. We put in additional manpower in our ATCs in the AMSS system, so that all the necessary messaging that was happening through the digital system was done in a manual way. So only certain delays were observed, no cancellations were done due to the AMSS fault that was observed.
Second supplementary, Shri Ramji Lal Suman.
सभापति जी, मैं आपका संरक्षण चाहता हूं। सभापति जी, सवाल इनसे ये पूछा गया कि जब दिल्ली ने जुलाई के महीने में आगाह कर दिया था हवाई सेवाओं के बारे में, तो जुलाई से
be specific about the question.
ये तो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी, आप पूछ नहीं दे रहे।
The minister will be in a position to speak. When you are giving a long speech.
अरे सर मैं सिर्फ ये जानना चाहता हूँ सभापति जी, आपके मार्फत कि जब जुलाई में इनको चेतावनी दे दी गई थी, तो ये क्या करते नवंबर तक? सभापति मैं जानना ये चाहता हूँ कि हमारे देश में ये हवाई जो नेटवर्क है वो एकल है, इस व्यवस्था को डुअल बनाए जाने की आवश्यकता है, आधुनिक बनाए जाने की आवश्यकता है। सभापति महोदय, मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा कि जिन हवाई यात्रा करने वाले लोगों को असुविधा हुई, परेशानी हुई, उनकी भरपाई करने के लिए सरकार क्या करेगी?
Sir, for all the passengers who have faced difficulties during delays or cancellations, there are strict civil aviation requirements car which is in place, and all the airline operators which are under permission to operate in the country, they have to strictly follow. And the passenger rights, the passengers, whatever facilities or the benefits that have been extended through the car have to be provided. And there is a strict regulation from the DGC and from the ministry also to ensure that this happens. And when extraordinary